All right, let's get right into it. We're going to tackle a problem that feels so modern. You know, that constant hum of stress and frustration we all live with. But we're going to use an ancient solution to fix it. A brilliant command that's, believe it or not, over 2,000 years old. I mean, you know the feeling, right? You're stuck in traffic and it's just not moving. Or your flight gets delayed because of bad weather. What can you do? Or maybe someone gets the wrong idea about you. It's like you're just pushing against a solid brick wall, and the only thing you get for all that effort is, well, exhaustion. But what if there was a simple switch you could just flip in your head to get all that wasted energy back? Well, there is, and it's an idea from the ancient Stoic philosophers, but honestly, it is one of the most effective life hacks you will ever find. So, this ancient solution, it's all built around one single really powerful idea. It's called the dichotomy of control. And I know, that sounds super academic, right? But don't let the name fool you. This isn't about some dusty old philosophy. It's a real practical tool for your mental toolbox. And the idea itself, it's so simple. It basically says that everything in life can be split into just two categories: things you can control and, well, things you can't. That's it. That's the whole system. But see, the real magic isn't just knowing which bucket things go into. It's about what you do with that knowledge. Okay, to make this super clear, let's use a mental picture. I want you to imagine something with me, a circle of control. Think of it like your personal command center. This is where all your real power is. And when you picture it this way, the difference becomes crystal clear. So inside the circle, that's your stuff, your thoughts, your choices, how much effort you decide to put in, your mindset. All of that is 100% yours to command. But everything outside that circle, the weather, the traffic, other people's opinions, anything that's already happened in the past, you have absolutely zero command over that. None. And here's the absolute key takeaway. The source of pretty much all our frustration, our anxiety, our anger, it almost always comes from one simple mistake. We're trying to control what's outside the circle. It's like we're wasting all our energy shouting orders at things that can't even hear us. It's a fight we are literally guaranteed to lose every single time. So the big question is, how do we fix this, right? How do you actually use this idea in the moment when you're feeling that frustration boil up? Well, that's what we're going to call the Stoic move. And it's a super simple 3-step process. Okay, number 1, pause. The second you feel that frustration or anxiety kick in, just stop. Acknowledge the feeling. Number 2, sort. Ask yourself that one critical question. Is the thing causing this inside my circle or outside? And finally, step 3, act. You're going to shift 100% of your energy only onto what's inside your circle and just completely let go of the rest. All right, let's make this totally real. Picture this. You're late for something important and bam, you hit a total standstill traffic jam, a sea of red lights. You can feel that anger start to bubble up, right? So, what does the Stoic move look like right here, in this exact moment? Okay, so there are 2 ways this can go. Path number 1 is the uncontrolled focus. This is what most of us do, right? We get mad about the traffic, we blame other drivers, all stuff that's way outside our circle. And the results? Just stress, anger, and a ton of wasted energy. But then there's path number 2, the controlled focus. Here, you just ignore what you can't control. Instead, you put your focus on what you can control, like your reaction, your breathing, heck, the podcast you decide to listen to. And the outcome? It's a total game changer. You're calm, you're making good use of your time, you actually have some peace of mind. And you know what? When you start practicing this consistently, something pretty amazing starts to happen. You stop feeling like a victim of everything that happens to you, and you start feeling like the commander of your own mind. The payoff here is huge. I mean, your stress and anxiety just plummet because you're not fighting these impossible battles anymore. You get way more effective at, well, everything, because all your energy is pointed at things you can actually influence. You get this incredible sense of calm and control. And maybe the best part, you get all that mental energy back to spend on the stuff that really truly matters. Look, if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this quote. This right here is the whole Stoic command in a nutshell. Don't waste a single second wishing things were different. You have to accept reality, and accept it fast. That way, you can immediately pivot and focus all your energy on acting effectively with the hand you've been dealt. So all of this leaves us with one last really important question. And it's not about what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow. It's about right now, today. Think about your life, your work, all the things on your mind. Where are you going to choose to focus your energy? Inside that circle of control or outside of it? Because that choice is 100% yours.